Good morning, students. Students, I Abhishek Soni, Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Shiroi, Rajasthan. Students, in the previous class, we have studied about the models and the uses of different models. Like we have done with can, and in negative form it was cannot, and in short it can be written as can't. Then we have done will, and in negative expression will not. That was can and cannot. We have done will and will not. We have done, then we have done shall and shall not. Now today we are starting our class with the model may, where we use this model. Like may is used with first condition is with formal permission. See students, if any of the student wants to enter in the principal's office, so how he will enter? He will not go directly, he will ask first. So taking that permission, it shows your formality. So that comes in formal permission. For example, may I come in, sir? You may come in, this is the answer. May I come in, this is the model. You may come in, this is the answer. Okay. The second use of may model is possibility. That is usually factual possibility, but it should be based on facts. For example, the clouds are dark, so it may rain. Clouds are dark, so it is possibility that it may rain. With blessings and wishing, if someone wants to wish others, someone wants to bless others, like elder bless the youngsters. So for example, may God bless you. So here we use this model may. Then may you live long. Okay. Fourth condition is may plus perfect infinitive, that is past assumption. In the previous class, I also mentioned this word assumption, and most of the students asked also that what is the meaning of assumption. So assumption means imagine. If we imagine something and we make rules on the basis of that imagination, so that calls assumption. But here may plus perfect infinitive. See, may plus perfect infinitive, that is have, based on past assumption, past condition. For example, she went late, so she may have missed the train. She went late, so she may have missed the train. It was the past condition. You can see she missed the train. It was the past assumption. In probable conditional sentences, for example, if you try, you may reach the goal. Here it is probable, probability is there, but based on condition, that if you will try, if you try, then only you will get success. If you try, you may reach the goal. So that is probable condition sentences. Then in the negative expression, may not, may as can be written as may not. In short, it can be written as mayn't. Negative way of expressing the use of may. For example, it may not rain today. It may not rain today. No possibility is there. In the first condition it was may I come in, or the answer was you may come in. But in negative it may you may not come in. Means no permission. If you are asking for permission, may I come in, sir? And if in reply you get no permission, you may not come. So students, we have done with the use of may model. Now in the next class we will learn the next model. That's all for today, and I will provide you with the assignment of this.